My reaction, I felt very happy, excited, like I could just burst. So the name of my book, I like to call it Once I Met a Vampire. So it's basically about this little boy named Owen. He goes to this old house on his street and he kept on hearing rumors about it, and I'm not going to spoil anymore. So when I grow up, my first option would be a dentist. My second option would be a programmer. If you feel very scared about sharing, just start by sharing it with a friend or family member. Once you feel more confident, you can share it with other people, and it doesn't matter what people say about it, about what your piece is. It matters what you think about your pieces and what you think is right.